everyone, I'm Kohelika and back with another vlog. So today I'm here and you can see me in my uniform. So the question may arise that why I'm in my uniform? Yes, I'm going to my university, that's why I'm in my uniform. So it's almost 1 o'clock, then why at this time? As because my university starts at morning 9 a.m. and I go through bus at 8 o'clock. But today I didn't have some important classes at morning, but at 2 p.m. I have a presentation. So I'm ready at right now and I will be going through local car as usual, and I will be showing you the overall beauty of the road towards my university and my university campus, and also I will be showing you the pathway through which I will be going. So be with me until the video ends and welcome. So guys, it's time to arrive to my university and I have packed my bag and I will be arriving right now. So if you like my whole video, just be with me and give a like to it. So I am completely ready to move. I am just opening my gate to go to my university. So basically this is the path, means out of my home, and I will be waiting for my friend Ananya. She will be coming with a rickshaw and I will be going to Radhanagar stop. So guys, be with me. So you can see the view. I think I'm audible. I'm waiting for my friend and I'm just standing here. So she will be coming and I will be going. So right now I'm in the rickshaw and I'm just arriving towards Radhanagar bus stop to go to my university. So this is the way, how it looks and how it goes, and the locality of my home. आप लोग देख ही सकते हो थोड़ा दूर है, तो मैं आपको काट काट के अपना मित्र दिखाने वाली हूँ. पूरा रास्ता तो दिखाना पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. सो जस्ट बी विथ मी एंड आई विल बी शोइंग इट एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ये एक स्कूल है हमारे घर के पास ही है, जो कि नाम है समथिंग खुदीराम बोस स्कूल. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. एंड व्हाट एंड आई एम गोइंग. तो हम लगभग आ ही चुके हैं. सो और थोड़ी देर में विद इन 3 to 4 minutes आई विल बी रीचिंग माई डेस्टिनेशन, दैट इज़ राधनगर बस स्टॉप. फ्रॉम देयर आई विल बी टेकिंग ऑन कार एंड लोकल कार एंड थ्रू इट आई विल बी गोइंग. सो हम थोड़ी देर में पहुंचने वाले हैं. और बेसिकली दिस रोड इज़ नोन एज आस्ताबल एंड नॉर्थ गेट. सो आई विल बी टर्निंग राइट. Sorry, not me. The rickshaw uncle will be turning right and will be reaching to the destination. So basically this road is very much interesting, because after that the road of the Parliament Road will be coming, and that's very beautiful. The road towards the Kinga Hotel is very nice. According to me, it's the best part in Agartala city. And the bridge is coming in front, which is also very nice. So let's go. वैसे ये अगरतला में यही एक जगह है जो कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. मतलब यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है, एक जगह है जो डायरेक्शन है, मतलब जो रास्ते हैं बहुत पसंद है. सो इसीलिए मैं ये वाला जगह दिखाना चाहती थी. पता नहीं गाड़ी किधर से जाएगी. सो अगर होता है पॉसिबल तो वो वाला भी मैं दिखा दूँगी. यू कैन सी इट्स रियली लुकिंग नाइस. आई थिंक यू कैन सी इट. So here it goes. Here we have the office of GAIL India Limited, and here the bus stop, not bus stop, I think the stop for other local cars. Yes. getting out from the rickshaw right now here and going through the local car. So अभी हम लोकल कार पे जाने वाले हैं. ये देखें कैसे चल रही है मटक मटक कर, सामने ही है. सो लेट्स गो. अभी गाइस मेरा आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं देगा क्योंकि मैं मतलब लोकल कार पे उठने वाली हूँ, तो आवाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. तो फिर मैं जस्ट वीडियो बनाऊँगी. सो आप सब वीडियो देख लेना, शायद मैं कुछ ना बोल पाऊँ वीडियो में. सो आई एम गोइंग टू द डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ ICFA यूनिवर्सिटी. सो लेट मी डू द वीडियो ऑफ द रोड. यू कैन सी. I don't know that my voice is audible or not, but I will be just showing you each and everything, how much it is possible, of course. And guys, this road is really beautiful and I just love this road in overall Agartala. This road, I just love it. I don't know why, but I love it. All the people are staring at me like why I'm speaking automatically without means I'm not having someone to talk with, but I'm just speaking with myself because I'm doing the video. So might be they're thinking that I'm a crazy girl. Video the places look much more beautiful than it is actually. I feel like that. Don't you feel it? And if you feel that really this road is beautiful, then to comment in the chat box. Parliamentary House, and yeah, that's really nice. I don't know I'm audible or not. Later on while editing the video I can understand I was actually audible throughout my video. Yes, so just look at the place. It's nice, no? Kamal Ghat. Yeah, you can see that welcome to Agartala was written because my university is located outside of Agartala. So here the road goes on. Greenery everywhere. Only green and green. You can see it. So the car is moving too fast. Here you can see the greenery all around. And it looks nice. And I am in front of the army camp. I said you guys, the road is really beautiful. And towards my university, it looks really nice. We are in front of the agriculture college. Sorry, the College of Fisheries. Our destination, that is ICFA University, Tripura. We just crossed the Lembuchora Eco Park and you can see the road, guys. It's full of greenery. So we crossed the agriculture college. So in the right direction it is about the College of Agriculture. And guys, मुझे इतना ज़्यादा awkward फील हो रहा है ना, जो कार में इतने सारे लोग बैठे हैं, सब मेरे को ही देख रहे हैं. सोच रहे डेफिनेटली मतलब अकेले अकेले बात कर रही है, श्योर पागल हो चुकी है। So we'll be reaching too soon to our destination. Just be with me and we'll be showing our university. So we are in front of ICFA University Tripura. As you can see, this is the main entrance gate from where we'll be going. So इधर से मैं अपने क्लासेस में जाने वाली हूँ। So अभी मैं इसका डायरेक्शन मतलब अंदर जाके अभी नहीं दिखा सकती। So क्लासेस का व्लॉग मैं बाद में बना लूँगी। मैं आपको कैंपस का पूरा व्लॉग आज दिखा दूँगी। So you can see the entrance. So this is my classroom. So here we can see the whole campus. So from here I'm going, and this is the campus scenario. Those means the pink color building you were seeing, it's the library of our university. The mess and canteen. So it is the park and garden of our university. You can see the students are sitting here and having some good time. So as because it's like शाम हो चुकी है, अभी थोड़ा बहुत धूप है। Here the view seems like this. So you can see the overall view from here. It's very beautiful. I think I will be closing this vlog here, and so that will be all for today. So let's see what else we can capture. So here you can see the scenario. It's really nice, and that's the boys hostel, and this one is the girls hostel. This is the volleyball court. You can see the mess and canteens or living essentials for the faculties, and this is the NGSS library. From the road from where I have came to this park, so I'm going back. Very beautiful place. You can see the rabbits, how cute they are. Hello. You can see how cute they are. Yeah, so that's all in my today's vlog. In the next vlog I will be showing you my classrooms and my friends. Guys, as you can see, I came back to the place from where I have started. So I will be going to my home back right now from here, and I will be just taking one rickshaw and be going to home back. So guys, I found the rickshaw and right now I'm going to my home back. So you can see the similar place when I came here from that side, and now I'm going from this side obviously. So going back. So guys, as you can see, back to same place, back to home sweet home. So guys, मैं घर में आ चुकी हूँ, अभी मैं घर में घुसने वाली हूँ. So आज के लिए ब्लॉग यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो रहा है, एंड शायद आपको ये ब्लॉग अच्छा लगे और मैं आगे ऐसे ही ब्लॉग बनाते रहूँगी. सो दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.